How to use WhatsApp using laptop. At first, you have to open a browser. You can use Google Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser. I am using Google Chrome browser. In the address bar, you will write whatsapp.com. Then press enter using your keyboard. You have to click here. It is the official site. You will scroll down. At the ending part, you will get the option. Here you will see use WhatsApp using Android, iPhone, Mac or PC or WhatsApp web. You can click here or click here. I am interested to use WhatsApp using WhatsApp web. So I am clicking here. Then this option will show. From my Android phone, I am opening WhatsApp app. Here is WhatsApp app. I am clicking on it to open it. I have already opened the WhatsApp app. Then you have to click on the menu button, that means 3 dot button if you are using Android, or you can use setting button if you are using iPhone. For Android, at the right top corner, here is 3 dot button. I am clicking on it. See here in the third option, linked device. I am clicking on it to get a link. Here it is written link a device. I am clicking on it. Unlock to link a device. Scan your fingerprint. Use password. Okay, I am using fingerprint to unlock. Now I am scanning. It is logging in. Please wait. Yes, the device has been connected. See here, I am using Google Chrome Windows browser. The browser is now active, and this Android mobile phone WhatsApp has already been connected with my laptop. Now I can start. For the next time use of WhatsApp using your laptop or desktop or PC, just you will open the same browser. I am opening my browser, and in the address bar I will write whatsapp.com, then enter. Just after opening the program, you will scroll down and go to the bottom part. You will get this option. You will click here. Just I am clicking here to be connected with the WhatsApp program using mobile phone. For the second, third time or next time use, you need not connect your mobile phone again and again. See here. Okay, in this way you can use WhatsApp using your laptop, desktop or PC. Thank you very much. Thank you everybody.